So today I'm out to test the new Panorama app, where we can make gigapixel panoramas, which splits the mission in 2 flights, where we can change the battery, and you can see that later on the video how it works. As you can see, I use my carbon folded props. That's very comfortable to go out by bike or by foot in the mountains or here. So I am very quick to go flying with these carbon props. They are foldable, so they stabilize the gimbal perfectly, that the aircraft is very smooth in the air. So I can take with me 4 batteries, the camera, the remote and even more in this backpack, and it's very comfortable to transport on bike or by foot. So I use these bags to pack the foldable props, and now I can get the aircraft on the backpack. Now let's have a look on the app. The actual selection is ST, which means standard 1 flight. For standard flights you can choose between linear and spheric. The app is very similar to DJI Go, and we have all the settings for camera and exposure in this app, so we don't need another app to take off or take the pictures or even take videos. Important to have sharp panoramas, always focal your lens. For plus 30 degree I use aircraft yaw, and for the rest of the panorama gimbal yaw. You can see that in the red and the blue point. Let's have a look on the split mode. F1 means flight 1, not Formula 1. If we start the first mission, the aircraft will reset to north and will save the actual coordinates from the aircraft. We start in mix mode, aircraft yaw for plus 30 degrees and for the rest of the panorama with gimbal yaw. We need the saved coordinates and altitude for the second mission. Now you can see how it works with the gimbal yaw. We have the confirmation that the first mission is finished. Now I move the aircraft to simulate a battery change to start the second mission. When we start the second mission, the aircraft will go back to the first coordinate and altitude, and also change the heading to have the same position as in the first shooting. So the second mission starts with a waypoint mission. The aircraft moves at the same time in altitude and also in coordinates. The second mission is always faster, as we use only gimbal yaw. As you can see, aircraft heating is perfectly at 0 degrees. Now the mission takes the second shooting. There was about 60 meters per second wind today, but you can see the aircraft is very stable. Now the second shooting is finished. With Panorama complete, the XML file is saved automatically. Then we import the Panorama with the XML file in Autopano or PTGuy. And now we can have a look on the final result of this shooting. I will copy the high resolution of this Panorama shooting on Google Maps, so that you can see it directly on Google Maps. This app is actually on test, but will be soon in the Apple Store.